This is video number 2, guys. There's the seized and impound vehicle auction happening for the city of Westminster. Not everything you see in the video, of course, will be included in the auction, but the one right here is this Chrysler 300. I think it's a 2005, comes with keys. Not everything comes with keys. These are all abandoned auto, impounded, seized, maybe you know, drinking and driving offenses, you name it, you know, but they're here and they are selling to the highest bid. The first video I kind of went over those vehicles up there in that first section, but this one here, I'll just kind of walk past some of these vehicles here. There's a little Honda, no, I think that one's an Acura with keys. That one's with keys. This one here needs a motor vehicle inspection. I think it's a little Pontiac G3 or something like that. Make sure you read the descriptions online, because of course, you know, we try and provide an accurate description because we know nothing about these vehicles, so that's what the description will be. So if you're a gambler, these are good vehicles of course to gamble on. Well, maybe not good vehicles, but it's still a gamble. Of course, here's a little Mini Cooper convertible. No keys with this one. The top's been cut a couple of times, so nothing a little bit of duct tape couldn't fix, maybe. Of course, the interior's full of water because we live in Vancouver and it rains. But nice little Mini Cooper. That one has no keys. Let me see, what's the next one here? This one has keys. I think it's a Chevy Cobalt. And beside it, of course, is another Pontiac. But yes, all these are selling February 15th, bcsurplus.com. They sell to the highest bidder. They're sold as is, where is. We do have a viewing the day of the auction. So on February the 15th, we're down here. You can come and take a look and inspect. But make sure you bring your own booster pack if you're going to want to try them. Bring, you know, bring an umbrella if it's raining, because we're here regardless of weather. So everything's sold as is, where is. Make sure you read the descriptions online. Highest bid wins.